Hello everyone, Zahir here from IELTS Manzil, coming back after a long time with this video. As you know, we share some of our results, some of our positive and inspirational results with you. Not all of them, because it's not possible to put everything on YouTube. It takes a lot of time sometimes. So yeah. So this time again, it's an inspirational video. A few people have commented sometimes as well that why you put only motivational videos, why not informative videos. So see, I believe information or understanding, it will come when you will start taking lessons, or whenever you will make a decision that you want to do something. Information you will grab, you will consume from somewhere. But the first step is motivation. That's why I think I'm more into motivational or inspirational videos. If I show you positive results, that people like you out there are doing this, only then you will come into this and try your luck, put in your efforts. So this time it's Dinah. Dinah is basically from Kenya and she lives in Melbourne. She moved to Australia in Melbourne not long back, just recently, and she moved as a student on a student visa. Dinah started her lessons with me. If she used to book 3 lessons per week with me, she used to attend only 2 or sometimes 1, sometimes not even 1 lesson in a week. And it was because she had to do some jobs, right, to meet her expenses. Obviously, as I told, being a student, not easy, you know, right? Obviously, I was able to understand her situation, right? And I really was flexible with her. I tried my best to give her lessons whenever she was available and comfortable. So she completed her lessons with me, managed her expenses, managed her time. You can imagine how busy she would be, or how busy you are as well. Still, being a student is not easy, so she managed everything and completed her lessons and went for the test. To be honest, I thought, okay, she wasn't able to put a lot of time in her practice. Maybe she could clear any 3 skills this time. One of them could suffer, but with her commitment, with her practice, she was able to clear all 4 skills in one go, and that too in Melbourne. Why I'm saying Melbourne? Because in Melbourne you have an option, right? You can take multiple attempts for multiple skills, but she did all of them in one go. And yep, I believe, obviously I don't know if this is not inspirational, then what is, right? She had a lot of time. She could go really slow, clear her test slowly, step by step, but she put all her efforts in and clear it in one go. If she can clear it in one go, you can clear it in 2, 3, 4 attempts. I think still you're a hero. You're done. You have done it, right? So take Dinah's example as a positive lesson for you. Start your journey. Start dreaming about your own passion, your own world of teaching. If you wish to start your ISLPR lessons with us, to start your teaching career, you may contact us through the given number or through our website. We provide online lessons, one-on-one lessons as well, to practice for your ISLPR. Thank you so much. Good luck, guys.